When you buy the decals, they come in on a piece of card like this. You need to take off, there's a plastic layer over the top to protect them. So you need to peel that off first of all. And with a pair of scissors, you need to cut around the shape here. I think I shall go for this one, for this nail. Being careful not to cut into the design. Around the edge of the design, there's the adhesive part. So not too close to the design. We need some tweezers. They're quite delicate, so you have to be quite careful with it, and you'll need tweezers to put it onto the nail. You'll also need a saucer with a little water, cold water in it. I've pre-painted my nails. I'll put the names of these polishers in the description. So I will now immerse this in the water. Just thoroughly soak it in the water, jiggle it about a little bit. Just leave it for say 30 seconds. So now what I do is I pinch it between my finger and my thumb and gently push it off the paper. So that I can grab it with the tweezers. When it's in this state, when it's been wet, it's very delicate and it can rip. So you have to just be very careful and just lay it on and then leave it. Obviously I've done it this way so that people can see it, other people can see it from that angle. On this finger here, I think I shall put two designs. This purple one, I think, and also a small design from this one. So again, just swish it around in the water. Okay. Shake off the drips. Just push it with my thumb. Lay it on. Just tap it down and leave it. And while that's drying, I shall have a look, see what I'm going to do. As you can see, you can move it a little bit when it's still wet. So I need to leave that to really dry before I apply top coat. So as you can see, it's quite easy to do. It's a little bit tricky you have to be careful because they're so delicate once they're wet, and you can't move it about a huge amount once you've laid it onto the nail. But it's a nice easy way of doing nail art if you don't feel confident to do stamping, and you get to have, you can have all the different colours on the nail, which can be done with stamping, but it's a lot more complicated. It's a more advanced stamping technique. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my Facebook group, The Natural Nail Zone, and I'll see you in the next video.